Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So I just wanted to make a quick little announcement since I'm going to be off work for a few more weeks. I'm still off for medical reasons. We're going to hit the road and just take a little road trip, see a few sites that we've never been to before. And one of the places we're going to be going to is Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're going to be there next week. We want to go to a couple places there in Chattanooga, Ruby Falls, Lookout Mountain. And I thought while we're there, maybe we can have a little YouTube meet and greet. So that's what I've been thinking about. And I was looking around for a good spot and I found this place. It's called Southside Social. It's in downtown Chattanooga. And how about we do a little meet and greet there Tuesday, July the 10th at 6 p.m. I think it looks like a great spot for a meet and greet. It looks very roomy. They got food and drinks and they got activities there if people want to play games or whatever. Just looks like a good spot. So I thought it'd be a great time for a get together and meet a few of you guys that I've never met before. So maybe you live there, live in the area, and want to come down and meet, shake my hand, and we can have a little bit of shop talk and just talk about whatever. So that's what the plan is. Tuesday, July the 10th. And I will say that I've been talking with Jody Collier from weldingtipsandtricks.com. And he has shown interest in coming to this meet and greet as well. Also, JD Brewer from Apexish on Instagram, he's shown interest in coming. So we may be having those guys come to the event as well. Jody, he's a YouTuber as well, very well known in the welding community. So if you're in the area, come on down and let's meet and hang out a little while, okay? So maybe we'll see you guys there, all right?